Yeah, so here we have another video. Now we have a slippery snow road, and that guy apparently is going too fast and he slipped off and he swerved off completely off the road. Now this is very icy. Now police came and people are helping, but please be sensible. Now here we have another scenario of people traveling on the highway on the right, and that guy just skid off on the right hand of the highway and he hit the divider of the road. Police came and police is trying to just people be aware of the accident. Now here we have this guy that's on the bridge and he skids. People, go slowly, wear your seatbelt, and most importantly, what you do, you have insurance on your car. Now look at this guy. He went off the road. Apparently he's going too fast and he just skid. So go slowly, make sure that you have insurance, and make sure you wear your seatbelt. Now look at this scenario of a wet, snowy road, and the guy went into the divider in the middle of the road. Be smart, guys. Get insured. Get insured. Look at this slippery road, and the guy just slides off on the corner, and grateful that he's just in the middle of the road and he didn't hit anything or any other vehicle. Now look at the right. Look at this guy. Oh, he went off the road. Damn. Dangerous, slippery roads. Be smart, get insured. Go to the link below and call the number that's below. Now let's look at these two cars just collided off the road and that car is reversing. Oh, I'm grateful that the police came and they're trying to. Now look at this wet road and this guy is traveling and he's speeding. It's clear that he's speeding and he went off and he hit the divider in the middle of the road. Be smart, get insured, man. Oh! And also keep in mind that you always have to have your seatbelt, even though the road seems to be so-called clean or iceless. So be smart, get insured, call the number that's at the end or below this video. And look, we have another scenario. Woo, that just a hit in the middle of the road. Woo! I hope everything and everyone was okay. Now look under the bridge here. The police saw this and they came after late. Now please call the number. Get a quote on insurance and insure your vehicles, all your vehicles, your grandmother vehicle,